So this is it. This is it. So we are using the inverter now, but the generator is on. So we want to switch the generator. This is the breaker. You just take this. This is for the stabilizer. So this is the breaker switch. 1, 2, bypass. Then you on the generator. With this now, your inverter is not on. I'll switch on the inverter. So there is no light going into the stabilizer. Neither is there light. So it's bypassed now. Light is not entering the inverter, neither is it entering the breaker. So you're not touching any of the breakers at all. You're not touching your input breaker. Your input breaker is permanently on, but generator would not enter into it from here. So if I take it up, that means you see I've activated the stabilizer to go. So but then let me take it out. That's the bypass. Stabilizer is off. Just trying to show you that.